Did you know that having this kind of bedroom can disrupt your comfort? Take a look at these rooms. As you can see, both of the beds are totally exposed when someone opens the door. If you happen to move your bed next to the door, you will be unaware of someone's entry. The rug size is also too small for the space. Now let's take a look at the lights in this room. Well, will you believe if I say that it has a wrong choices of lighting? It will only give you unsettle feel. But don't worry, today we're gonna set this right. Let's analyze the space. The most efficient way in rearranging your room is knowing the dimension of the room, which is 3.35 meter by 3.60 meter with a total floor area of 12.06 square meter. Let's put the queen size bed here. Well, this position is good, as it is away from the door but can still be seen. Then a nightstand on each side. For your cabinet, let's place it here. And for the space beside it, let's make it as your working space or your vanity area. Now let's see what decors can we add here. But first, let's change your rug into larger one. Do you know that rugs should extend at least 12 to 18 inches beyond the sides? It will provide you a soft landing when getting out of your bed and creates a balanced look in your bedroom. Let's put some greenery in your bedroom, one on this side and a small potted plants on the nightstand. Looks great. And a floor lamp here. We're going to place a painting here at the side, a curtain on the other side. Now let's proceed on the lighting. This is the lighting choices in the previous one. This downlight has no purpose at all. The cove light here is trapped, so it will not totally emit light. This one has a disruptive glare, and this night lamp will surely disturb your sleep. Instead, here's a tip. Let the soft cove light emit. Use a downlight to highlight your art feature. Go for floor lamp that will give you a soft shade, and opt for an underbed lighting as it will provide you a low-level glow to light your way. At last, we've finalized our bedroom layout, the rug, decors, plants, and curtains. Now let's turn this 2D model into 3D model. With the proper layout, the right lighting and the right decors can truly make your room into something more.